Hello and welcome to this video on the implementation of an algorithm to find all the anagrams of a given pattern in a string. In this video, we will be using sliding window technique and hash maps. First, let's start by defining what an anagram is. An anagram is a word, phrase, or name formed by rearranging the letters of another, such as cinema, formed from Iceman. In our function, we will be given a string S and a pattern P. Our goal is to find all the starting indices in the string S where the substring of S, from index I to I plus pattern's length -1, is an anagram of P. We will use two maps, M1 and M2. M1 will store the frequency of each character in the pattern P. M2 will store the frequency of the characters in the current substring in S. Then we will iterate over all characters in the string P and increments the frequency count of each character in the map M1. We start by initializing a variable, k equal to the length of P, and two pointers, I and j, both equal to 0. Now while loop is used to traverse the string S. The frequency map M2 of current character is incremented and then we check if the length of the substring starting from index I to index j is less than k, j is incremented. Otherwise, if the length of the substring is equal to k, we check if M1 and M2 are equal. If they are, it means that the substring is an anagram of P. The starting index of this anagram is stored in the result vector V. Next, we decrement the frequency of the first character of the substring and erases it from the map M2 if its frequency becomes 0. Then, both I and j are incremented, and the process is repeated until j reaches the end of S. Finally, the result vector V is returned. And that's it. With this code, we are able to efficiently find all the anagrams of a given pattern in a string. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching.